Hello everyone, great to have your company here on 𝐊𝐶𝐞 TV. I'm Rachel and you're watching the Buzzing Trends. In today's show we're going to be looking at 5 Toronto Stock Exchange listed AI and virtual reality stocks to buy in September. The need for automation and the ability to provide real-time data intelligence software is on the rise. In many industries, software-written codes are replacing humans. The concept of machine learning and artificial intelligence can forecast and handle extensive data within fractions of a second. On this note, let us explore some AI VR stocks, services and solutions used across industries. The first company in our list today is Goldspot Discovery, software driven by machine learning and artificial intelligence. The software developed is used in the mining industry. Goldspot Discoveries held outstanding shares of 121 million Canadian dollars and 47 cents and a market cap of 127 million Canadian dollars and 54 cents on August the 31st. The investors of this technology company enjoyed a price to earnings ratio of 4.0 and a return on equity of 54.65%. The stock price was $1 Canadian and 5 cents apiece on the market close on August the 30th. On this day, it traded 556% above its 52-week low of 16 Canadian cents last year, the 25th, 2020 of September. The stock price skyrocketed by 650% over the last year. In the second quarter of the fiscal year 2021, the consulting income was $2,049 Canadian dollars, up 166% on a year-on-year basis. Its net income was $12.71 million Canadian dollars, an increase of 348% year-on-year. Goldspot Discoveries was trading at $1.03 during intraday trade today. Moving on, the next company on our list is Fobi AI. The $199 million and 33 market cap company develops AI-driven solutions to be used by retail businesses. AI solutions of Fobi are used to generate real-time marketing and sales decisions by retail brands. The company held a return on equity of 381.55% on the 31st of August. The stock price closed at $1.53 on the 30th, which traded close to 629% above its 52-week low of 21 Canadian cents last year, September the 4th, 2020. Over the past year, the stock price skyrocketed by 500%. The senior leadership of Fobi AI commented that the company integrated with Shopify for the launch of the Fobi app. Now, this app is a real-time tool driven by artificial intelligence to engage with customers of Shopify. Fobi AI was trading at $1.75 during intraday trade today. Next company on the radar is Spectre 7 Microsystems. This semiconductor company uses the concept and applications of augmented reality and virtual reality in the industrial designs of electronics. Spectre 7 Microsystems raised its initial public offering back in 2011 and was listed on the Toronto Stock Venture Exchange. On the 31st of August, the semiconductor company held a market cap of $40 million and 40 cents and a return on equity of 49.6%. Stocks of Spectre 7 at the market close on August 30th were priced at $1.90. The stocks reached their 52-week high of $3.75 Canadian cents on October the 15th, 2020. On a quarter-to-date basis, it expanded by 52% and by 90% over the last year. Spectre 7 posted revenue of $0.75 million in the second quarter of financial year 2021. That's up 185% year on year. Its earnings before interest, taxes, depreciation and amortization loss was $0.93 million in the same quarter. Spectre 7 Microsystems was trading at $1 Canadian and 75 cents during intraday trade today. Let's take a small break now. I'll be back very soon.
Hi there, James Preston for 𝐊𝐶𝐞 TV. Are you into gaming and virtual reality? Does AI and the endless possibilities it entails capture your interest? Or are you constantly trawling through the web to try and discover the latest updates and innovations in the tech space? Well, let us do the work for you. From the latest product launches to shocking affairs on the World Wide Web, exclusive interviews and information about the top companies like Apple and Google to brand new tech startups vying for your attention. 𝐊𝐚𝐥𝐤𝐢𝐧𝐞 TechBeat has the latest in what matters in the world of technology. Join me every single Thursday on The TechBeat, exclusive to 𝐊𝐚𝐥𝐤𝐢𝐳 TV.
Hello and welcome back. I'm Rachel, and today we're discussing 5 Toronto Stock Exchange listed AI and virtual reality stocks that you can buy if you're in Canada in September. The next company on our list is Segnoma Technologies. This technology company launched its initial public offering in Canada in 1995 with price to earnings ratio of 53.3. Its return on equity was 1.9% and price to book ratio was 0.9. On February the 9th, 2021, the stock price of Segnoma reached its 52-week high of $5.50, and it closed at $3.20 on the 30th of August. Within 1 year, the stock price returned 27%, but on a year-to-date basis, it dipped by almost 10%. The sales posted by Segnoma was 35.44 million Canadian dollars. That was in the third quarter of financial year 2021, down 2% year on year. Its EBITDA was 6.63 million Canadian dollars in the same quarter. Segnoma Technologies was trading at $3.09 during intraday trade today. The next company on our list is Magnet Forensic. This digital investigation software company launched its IPO in 2021 and held a market cap of 548.5 million Canadian dollars on August the 31st. In valuation metrics, Magnet Forensic held a return on assets of 7.91%, return on equity of 13.02%, and price to book ratio of 22.26. In the second quarter of financial year 2021, Magnet Forensic posted revenue of $16 million, net income of $1.6 million. The revenue grew by 42% year on year, whereas net income decreased by 45% year on year in the second quarter of financial year 2021. The stock price of the company reached its 52-week low of $20.91 Canadian cents on April the 28th. Magnet Forensic expanded by 130% on a quarter-to-date basis. The stock price of Magnet Forensic was trading at $57.10 Canadian cents during intraday trade. It's time to wrap up today's show. I hope you found it informative. Stay tuned for more news and updates on 𝐊𝐚𝐥𝐤𝐢𝐳 TV Live. This is Rachel signing off for now.